Here we will see Python identifiers. An identifier is a user-defined name to represent the basic building blocks of a Python. A Python identifier is a name used to identify variable, function, class, module, or other objects. There are some naming rules for defining identifiers. An identifier starts with a letter A to Z in capital or small, or an underscore followed by a 0, followed by 0 or more letters, underscores and digits. For example, my class var underscore 1. Python does not allow special symbols like exclamatory mark, @ hash, star, percentage within identifiers. An identifier cannot start with a digit. One variable is invalid, but variable 1 is valid name. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Python is a case-sensitive programming language. So, small x and capital X are two different identifiers. There are some naming conventions for Python identifiers. Class names start with an uppercase letter. All other identifiers start with a lowercase letter. Starting an identifier with a single leading underscore indicates that the identifier is private. Starting an identifier with two leading underscores indicates a strongly private identifier. If the identifier also ends with two trailing underscores, the identifier is a language-defined special name. To combine words in an identifier, use underscore. For example, get underscore user underscore details. Use camel case for naming the variables. For example, full name where F is small and N is capital. Get address where G is small and A is capital.